We're standing out front of 1322 Pine Street, and we're going to show you Unit 1. It's a 2-unit building, currently listed for rent. And this is showing you one of the units listed for rent. It's on beautiful Pine Street in the Washington Square section of Philadelphia. There's tons of cafes, coffee shops, bars, restaurants. Just a block from here, or less than a block, at the next light is Broad Street. It's one of the most commonly used main streets, and also that hosts one of Philadelphia's under-street subway lines. So it's nice that it's a block from there. We're also just a couple blocks from Center City. You could even argue this is Center City. Washington Square Park is just that way. Rittenhouse Square is just a couple blocks that way, on the other side of Broad Street. So it's just a wonderful location. Very sought after. And this is a beautiful building with nicely updated units we're going to take you through now. So, very quickly, this is your intercom. Okay, each unit has access to the intercom. This is the vestibule. Both this front door and this second door lock. Up that way is Unit 2, the entrance to Unit 2. Through here is the entrance to Unit 1. And also, a cool feature, a little unusual, is there's a second entrance to Unit 1 up these stairs, which you'll see it towards the end of this video. It's nice so that someone that might be in one of the bedrooms could come in through there directly to their bedroom, as opposed to going through the unit on the first floor and making their way through here. So we'll show you Unit 1 and start through this door. Okay. So this is your living area. Incredible ceilings, beautiful hardwood floors, non-working fireplace, but the unit's been beautifully updated. Zero open kitchen, stainless steel appliances, lots of cabinetry. Down this way is a second living space in the basement, which I'll show you in a little bit. This is the other angle of your living area. Again, super high ceilings, tons of natural light, beautiful hardwood floors. Out this way is your patio space in the back that's exclusively for Unit 1, and also potentially a place that you could park a vehicle or a car. We'll show you that also in this video. This is the access to the patio. I'll show you in a little bit. This is the kitchen. Refrigerator, dishwasher, again, gas range, microwave, additional storage underneath the island, so lots of cabinetry, beautiful exposed brick. And here is your first bedroom and full bathroom. So tile floors, stall shower with glass enclosure, storage underneath the vanity, mirror, toilet. And through here is your first bedroom. Again, hardwood floors throughout. It's a nice closet space. This is your bedroom. Now I'll take you first to the rear patio space. And potential parking spot. This is also how you can take your trash out. So this is the rear patio. Now what's great is that these two gates swing open, and this street in the back is Waverly Street. It's the smaller street 1.5 blocks south of Pine Street, where other cars do park back here. Now it would be important for you to measure that your car would fit back here. The owner has told us that if your car sticks out a little bit, in his experience, his tenants have not gotten a ticket, but he cannot guarantee that, okay? This is the space, this is a fire escape. This is also part of your unit right here. So, again, worst case scenario, fantastic rear patio space, and then deck, which you just saw, which will take you to soon, or possibly an area for parking. Those two gates swing open, and you can pull your car in. And again, but it'd be important for you to verify that your car does fit back here. Let's head back in. Okay, first, we'll take you up these stairs before we show you the basement space. So, okay, so on this floor, there's two large bedrooms, okay? One there, there's a nice large closet there, and this bedroom. We'll take you in here first. So the bathroom's en suite, so it's within the bedroom, this full bath, vanity with storage, mirror, a little shelf, a large a large glass enclosed shower, and toilet. Again, really high ceilings throughout this unit. Okay, so what's great about this bedroom is that you have access to the rear balcony, which connects to the fire escape. It's a really beautiful space, large, nice that it's raised. And this is the fire escape that can take you down to your ground level rear patio and potentially a parking spot. So now let's take you back inside. This is a nice sized bedroom. I'll show you some angles. Huge, like extremely high ceilings. Tons of space. Not sure if I've mentioned already, but there is HVAC in this unit, central heating and central air, that's controllable inside this unit. So it's only for your unit. So again, this bathroom is inside the suite. This is your private door, or this is your door to your bedroom. Okay, back to this area we were before, above the stairs and below the other bedroom. It's a large closet here. Nice storage, very versatile. And here's another bedroom with a primary suite. Deep soaking tub, tile floor, vanity with storage, a mirror, a light, tile surround, shower tub combo. Here's a short closet. Maybe some storage for some linens or toiletries. Then in here is another bedroom. High ceilings, huge windows. Very versatile. There's huge closets here I'm going to show you in a minute. Just want to show you the space. Now, this is that second entrance I was telling you about. So in theory, say someone's coming in late, they could come up through here and then down this way. Around the corner is the vestibule. That's where we entered the unit at the base on the left. This is the second entrance to unit 1. This is the entrance to unit 2, a separate unit. So it's just a unusual but nice luxury that you have 2 entrances to the unit, potentially just for more privacy or ease of access. I forget if I showed you this closet. It's a nice closet, large, lots of storage space and shelving. And then this closet is also huge. It has a drawer system, shelf, deep and wide. Now, we'll head to the basement, the lowest level. So what's great about this space in the basement is that it very easily could be a second living area. Is a lot of the basement is finished space. So again, living area, kitchen, first bedroom that we saw, alley to the rear patio. I don't know if I've seen this closet. It's a deep closet. Just want to make sure I've shown it to you. And now onto the basement. Again, a lot of the basement is finished. So it's either great storage space that's finished and not a dark and dreary basement, or it's a second living area. It could be really used for whatever you like. There's a additional like bar, sink with a refrigerator on this level, which is just a nice luxury to have. This closet has your gas meter and gas hookup. Inside this closet is your electric panels, rather electric meter. Electric panel and electric meters. Show you from the sink. This is the fridge. As I was saying, this is the fridge and second wash area and sink. There was an issue with our footage from the original video, so we had to go back and take a second video, and that's why there's I'm speaking over the audio of this current video, but my associate was showing you that there's that sink there, and then underneath the stairs is this additional storage space. Has a door, and then here is your convenient half bath in this lower level. Toilet, sink, no shower or tub, but it is convenient to have a half bath there. And here is your laundry room, clothes washer and dryer, private to the unit. Here's your heating and cooling system, and then your hot water heater. Excuse the jumpiness. Then back here is partially finished space, is what I would call it. That door there is access to the rear patio that you saw before. And now I jump in here. Then in here is additional storage, cabinetry, shelving. It's a very nice space. That's the unit. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please let us know if you have any questions. And again, thank you for watching.